In this video, I will show you a quick strategy for the new Egyptian Adventures event on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on Monopoly Go, and it's currently an event called Egyptian Adventures. Now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and collect pickaxes. You can see to the right hand side here, I currently have 40 pickaxes. Now to go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is complete milestones on the current in-game events, and you can also achieve pickaxes from landing on certain spaces, as well as completing your daily wins. So once you've gone ahead and got some pickaxes, what you can do is press onto the event itself, and that's going to go ahead and load up the Egyptian Treasures event. And what you need to do is basically complete these mini puzzles. So what you can do is use these pickaxes. As you can see, I've got 40, and you can see at the top on this level, I'm currently on level 7 of 16. You need to find the missing items. So what you would do is press onto a space, and it's going to use one of your pickaxes, and you can start digging away and looking for these different items. So you can see I've uncovered a piece of one of the items. So what I'm going to do is just use my pickaxes, and you can see we've got another sword. So there's one final sword to find, and I believe that's going to be down here somewhere. So you can see down here, and once you've gone ahead and you've completed this level, what's going to happen is it's going to jump onto the next level, and every level you complete you unlock prizes. So for example, this one, I've unlocked a safe, which has given me 4 pickaxes and a sticker pack. So as you can see, that's going to add this to my collection, and we will jump across to the next board and continue to find the prizes. Now the top prize for this, as you can see in the top right hand corner, you can click onto the different chests to see the different prizes. And as you can see, the golden safe up here has a sticker pack, which has a minimum of 1 new sticker, which I will need for my album, 2,500 dice and 720 million in Monopoly money. So yeah, big skill you want to do is keep collecting pickaxes and completing the events. And of course, the more further you go along, the more prizes you're going to obtain. So that is how to go ahead and play the Egyptian Treasures event in Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.